Hey everybody, welcome to Fast Builds and Big Roads. I'm Sam, and this episode we're going to be talking about replacing my Dometic ammonia refrigerator with a 12-volt refrigerator. And as you see behind me, it's there, already installed, and you'll see the process that I used to replace it. So if you like it, subscribe and like our channel. Hey everybody, we're working on my RV refrigerator now, along with all the other things. I've disconnected the 110 right here. I'm disconnecting the propane right here. I got it loose. It's kind of dark, sorry about that. But I got this coming apart. I'm going to adapt this over and use it for a outlet for my grill, so I don't have to use a 5-pound can. So I've got that loose. Got screws loose. I got the cover off there. Got to check and see what else I've got to do to inside to take it off, but so I can remove it right here. The RV, and we want to go with the stainless front refrigerator. That's why we're changing it out, and we're going to 12 volt, so we're not so dependent on the propane going down the road. We decided we didn't really like that, and that way we don't have to run the generator either for the heat. So I'll take a few things off and I'll record again. So I took the front cover off and just got the controls and the circuit board and such here, and I don't see any screws up there. So I'm coming down here to there's a couple of screws here, there and over here to take out, right there and there, and we'll see if it scoots any there. So I decided to cut it on up here, and I still have my LED light I put in a while back, and I also have my fans to run over the coils to help with the coolant. Lights out, lights on. Pretty cool. So back out here, I got 12 volts I got to find somewhere. I believe it's right here, but I'm not for sure. And I've got all the screws loose on the inside, so we're going to see what happens next. Everybody, we got the refrigerator out. Boy, that thing sucker's heavy for ammonia. I've also blocked off the chimney up here at the top. The wife, Diane, really cleaned up down here below. It was nasty from all these years. There's the propane line, and there's the 12 volt line that I'll use for the refrigerator. So this is my auto start line here that I installed. So see about mounting the brackets and installing a 12 volt refrigerator. Well, here's the new refrigerator in, and pretty straightforward. Had a mounting bracket up here, and it had one down below. It's a little off-centered up here, but mainly because of the hinge. But pretty slick. I love it. I haven't since we picked it up. I haven't turned it back on. So I wanted it to settle down, the Freon and stuff like that. Just that a little bit here. But she's still cold in there though. Got a cool latch right here so the doors don't fly open. So, you know, I could show you how we took it in and out, but the other one's just heavy as all get out, and there's other videos that show all that. I'm just showing you the things that you can do. So we tried to make sure it was level, had my level out here, making noises. All the tools. So put a couple of things up as I go out the door. Show you some more stuff. Had to come get my water. Dark. Dark, dark, dark. So anyway, hang up my tools. So here's the back side of the the refrigerator. Real clean. Here's my 12-volt lines right there. They'll go right there. That cover goes over it. It's a real slick operation. I've ordered a door, and then this fitting here got a quick disconnect for my gas grill, so I'll have a little door right here. You'll see that. So there's my refrigerator door. I stopped up the flue up the top. I don't know if you can see it. I already think I showed you that. Stopped it up. So another job completed. The refrigerator's been sitting in here about 3 hours. I fired her up, and I've got the electricity cover on, or the power cover. There's my 12 volts. Still got my propane line. I've got fittings ordered for that, so that'll be next. So there it is, all ready to go. Started, fired right up. And so here we are, refrigerator all ready to rock and roll. Lights on. Real excited, to be honest, having this nice refrigerator like this. Huge freezer. So I'm tickled to death. Can't wait to use it. So